Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus 10T, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll to sound and vibration. Here you can see silent mode switcher, and just to activate silent mode you should click here once on the switcher. When silent mode is activated, we can see that the ringtone and notifications, they are muted. If you want to turn off silent mode, you should click here once again on this icon, but also you can activate it by the second way. Just mute ringtone volume panel, and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, you can unmute the ringtone. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. After that, you should find somewhere here the silent mode icon. Just click here once on the icon, and now silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click on this icon once again. And just one more way, just press up or down volume button on the left side of your phone. Then here you'll see here this settings icon. Click here once, and after that you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. Just mute your slide it down this volume panel, and you can activate silent mode by this way. After when you will unmute it, you will turn off silent mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.